मदद मिलती रहती रहेगी।
So once again, most welcome in the presentation of the award winning company.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपके अपने ये YouTube चैनल में आपका फिर से एक बार वेलकम है, स्वागत है। और अगर अभी तक आपने ये YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बाजू में बेल आइकन प्रेस करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, बिकॉज आपके लिए हम ऐसे ही लगातार बार बार वीडियोस और लेके आने वाले हैं जिससे आपको भी मदद मिलती रहती रहेगी।
So once again, most welcome in the presentation of the award winning company Next Money. Name of the company is the Next Money, number one company in the service sector industry, in registered legally in direct selling list of India government. This is the first company in the service sector which is registered in the direct selling list of the India government of 387 companies. If you are present in the webinar and you want to see this webinar, this meeting clearly, please keep your phone horizontally, use earphone and sit on the silent place so you can understand better. And please take pen and diary, so important things you can note it down in your diary also. Please keep your phone on horizontal mode. So let's start. More than 25 plus awards Next Money has achieved from different authorities, from governments also, from different corporate authorities also. Like this award is from the government Rajiv Gandhi Global Excellence Award to the owner of the Next Money, Abhishek K. Burman, youngest CMD Award of India. You can Google it, youngest CMD of India. You will find the name Abhishek Burman. Rajiv Gandhi Excellence Award, the Best Mobile Service Provider Award. These are some of the awards. Sir has done the project for the Bangkok government also, so he has awarded by the Bangkok government also. Sir has done the project from the Dubai government. He has awarded by the Dubai government also. One corporate award ceremony was there by the Axis Bank, Facebook, different sponsors was there, Amazon and all. Shabnam Praveen, the second director of the Next Money, Shabnam Praveen madam has got the award, Digital Woman Award, the Best Android App Development Award, some awards, Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award again, Best MSME Award under 5,000 of India, Best 5,000 MSME Micro Small Industries Award goes to Next Money. So the name of the Next Money is the name of the app. Company name is NextGen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited. This name you will find in the Play Store also. When you are downloading the app, you will find this name. This company formed on 11th December 2013 and app launched on 1st January 2017. First paperwork started from 1st Jan 2017 for the Next Money app, and it is registered with the direct selling government of India on December 2017. So let's move forward. This app is the combination of 3 E3 you can say. First thing, e-wallet, e-commerce plus earning opportunity. You are not coming here only for becoming customer or a user. You are coming here for the earning opportunity along with the user experience. You will be the user, but you are the owner. Once you get Prime membership or Prime subscription, you are the 90% ownership of this app for whatever business coming through you directly or indirectly. It may reach to lakhs of people, crores of people in next 2 to 3 years via you. Directly, indirectly, you will get profit from them. The other apps in the market are in business to customer model, B2C. They will make you only customer. You will not get profit sharing from them. Whatever offer you will get, whatever cashback you will get, whatever, but you will be only customer. You are not getting any business model from them. Whereas in Next Money, you will get business model. So this is initial phase of the Next Money. Under 100 CR turnover, present turnover of companies around 75 to 80 CR. So if you build your big team under 100 crore, and you are the pioneer of the company, then you will get big income in future, after 6 months, after 1 year, after 2 years. But you have to prove yourself. You have to make big team as much as possible. Like I said, 387 companies are there in India government direct selling list. Next Money stands on serial number 263, 26 December 2017, means already around 18 months company have completed after registered in direct selling. Some are the certificates which you will get in presentation also. Next Money is the combination of the 4 app. First is Next Money, second is Next Shopping. Next Money is planning to develop a portal like Amazon, Myntra, Jabong. Day by day, this portal will grow. More vendors, more seller will come on this platform. You will be the partner of this portal or this platform. Next Merchant. Next Merchant is app like for the shopkeepers, for the service providers, like barcode you can generate for that shopkeeper, that serviceman. Like Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay is giving barcode to all the shopkeepers. Same way, you can make them Next Money merchant from your Next Money code. You are the 1% partner of that particular shop. If you are making them merchant, you will get lifetime 1% royalty from that shop. So Next Money is giving you big opportunity, whereas other apps, they just give you some peanuts, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees for making merchant one time, whereas Next Money will give you lifetime benefit. Next is Next Shopee. Here you will get herbal products, company made products in the auto binary model. So let's see the vision. What is the vision of Next Money? The first vision of Next Money is the becoming open wallet as a payment gateway like Paytm is at present. So our target is around March 2020 will be the open wallet, will the payment gateway. So after that, actual journey of Next Money will start once it become open wallet. The minimum criteria for becoming open wallet is 100 crore turnover from the RBI. That is the mandate. So already we have done around 75 to 80 CR. So we are very near to this target. Mostly target March or April will complete that and will submit our gateway form, open wallet form to the RBI and will get that license. Entrepreneur development. Next Money is giving chance each and every common man for becoming entrepreneur for the e-commerce business, e-wallet business. You are getting the opportunity from Next Money. Whatever the platform other are, WhatsApp, Facebook, Paytm, Phone Pay, Google Pay, whatever, but they are not giving you the chance of the entrepreneurship. They are just making you simply customer. Whereas Next Money is your app. You are the 90% owner of your team. You are the king of your team. So it is giving you chance to become an entrepreneur without any development experience, without any maintenance, without any management, nothing. You just need to maintain your team. All rest will be managed by the Next Money company and Abhishek K. Burman and Next Gen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited. Our main vision, Digital India, e-commerce business opportunity it is providing to you and business platform. The unique point why we should do Next Money out of the other 387 companies. So number one reason, the service sector, number one company in that direct selling is Next Money. Rest are the product based company where you need to compulsorily buy product or sell product to people, brand specific products. Whereas Next Money, no compulsion on any particular brand. And rest thing, last 4 to 5 years, if you see, service sector have marked tremendous growth. like you can say Oyo, Ola, Uber, Swiggy, Zomato, Facebook, WhatsApp, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, like that many apps have done tremendous business. Big growth in this service sector industry. So Next Money is also in the service sector. So you are getting very big opportunity. If you are in Next Money, you are getting huge opportunity, very big opportunity if you understand on time. But second thing, I already told you, it is the combination of e-wallet, e-commerce, and network marketing. Both three industry are top industries. E-wallet industry is the top industry. E-commerce industry is the number one industry at present. The top richest man of the world is from the e-commerce, Amazon owner. And third, network marketing industry. So Next Money is the combination of these three big industries. So you can imagine what opportunities in your hand. Next thing, no product buying or particular brand buying compulsion to you in Next Money. Whatever you want to do, whatever your team want to do from Next Money, no issue, no compulsion. Instant earning in the wallet, instant earning in the bank. That is the best unique point of the Next Money. No need to wait for a week, no need to wait for 15 days, 20 days, 1 month, like that. Instant earning, instant withdrawal. So to start the Next Money, whoever have invited you in the Next Money, please take the link from them, click on that link, download Next Money app from the Google Play Store, download the app, register with their referral link, and start this big business opportunity. You can start, you can register free of cost. Later, if you want to do business with Next Money, you want to earn from Next Money, you have to take Prime subscription. On that we'll discuss. So what is the Prime subscription model? Is there only Next Money who is taking this Prime subscription? The answer is no. There are many apps in market who are giving Prime subscription, like you can say Amazon Prime, like you can say Paytm First, Swiggy Prime, Oyo Prime. Many apps are there in the business model who are charging monthly or yearly, and they are giving you just extra service, not business platform. Whereas Next Money is taking Prime subscription for the lifetime, not year, not no monthly. One time, lifetime, no renewal, nothing. 1500 rupees plus 18% GST, total 1770 charges is there. So you can upgrade your app. No need to give any money to anyone. Just go to wallet, add money, upgrade. Just submit your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and upgrade yourself. Once you upgrade, you will get one invoice in the email, and with this you will get lifetime Prime subscription service from Next Money. Lifetime, no terms and condition, no expiry. Plus, as a gift, you will get reward point, 1500 reward point you will get. This reward point is a gift for you. Don't concern about this reward point, that how to use it, what this, that. You have given 1770 for the Prime subscription, for becoming the partner of this app, for getting business opportunity, for getting income opportunity. You are taking Prime subscription. So you will get 8 ways of different earning. The first earning is saving. You will start extra saving to this app through different platform. Like in recharge section, you can use your 1% point, 2% cashback you will get into your wallet, not point, 2% cashback you will get into your wallet, rupees. In booking section, you can use your 2 to 10% reward point, 2 to 10% cashback. From shopping, next shopping, you can use 10% to 70% point, and 10 to 20% cashback you will get into your wallet. From merchant section, you can use 7.5 to 40% of your point you can consume, and your team will earn from that cashback. And one section is there, bill section. That bill section, electricity bill, metro card, gas bill, like that bill section is the pre-service. You cannot use your reward point, you cannot use your discount point here, you will not get any cashback from bill section. But still, surprise for you, if you are using bill section, you will get 25% discount point. Whatever transaction you are doing from bill section, you will get 25% discount point. For example, if you are taking 1000 rupees service from bill section, you will get 250 discount point. The discount point again value 1 point equals to 1 rupees. You can consume same like small portion you can use in different services, different things, and you can consume your that points gradually. No validity, nothing. You can consume it in 6 months, you can consume it in 1 year, no issue. You can consume it gradually. So let's start the earning part for which you are here. Referral earning, you can share this app with your friends, your relatives, your neighbors, whatever, your Facebook friends, your WhatsApp friends. Just share the link with the people, your referral link with the people, and ask them to download with your link and register with your link. You can invite as many as people you want, 1, 2, 5, 10, 15, whatever people you want to invite in your direct, you can invite. No mandatory to invite 5 people. You can invite 1 also, you can invite 2 also, you can invite 5 also, you can invite 25 also, you can invite 100 also. From your level 1 means to whoever you are inviting you in your direct, you will get 20% commission of 1500 rupees, means 300 rupees you will get into your wallet. After TDS deduction, you will get 285 rupees instant. First upgrade you will get 300, second upgrade 300, third upgrade 300, fourth upgrade 300, fifth upgrade 300. For example, if we consider in first month you have invited only 5%, for the prime subscription you will earn 1500 rupees, which instantly you can take in your bank. Minimum instant withdrawal, IMPS withdrawal criteria or limit is 500 rupees. For NEFT or redeem withdrawal criteria is 1000 rupees. In IMPS, you will get extra 1% transaction amount when you are withdrawing. That is the payment gateway charges, or from the RBI, that is charges. And NEFT, no charges are there. For IMPS, 500 withdrawal, for redeem 1000 rupees withdrawal. Same like in your level 1 people, whatever people you have invited, they have also joined Next Money for the earning potential, for the income opportunity. So when they will invite their level 1 people, they will get 20%, you will get 2%, means 30 rupees per person. Let's take one example. You have invited 5% in your direct, that 5% have invited their 5, means in your level 2 25% are there. 25%, 30 rupees each person you will get, means 750 rupees you will earn, that you can take into your bank. So simply duplicate. Don't please apply your mind, just duplicate, because networking business is the business of duplication. If you are master in duplicate yourself to others, you will earn big earning in Next Money. So start duplicating yourself in your team. So target your 5, their 5, and their 5. That is the 5-5-5 formula. 5, 25, 125, and same ask them to do it. That's it. If you are able to make this 155 people team, 5, 25, 125, and if you are able to duplicate yourself in this 155 people, 125, 25, and 5, and they also will do their 3 levels, you will earn huge in Next Money. So how much you will earn? Let's take the example. If you are inviting first 5, you are getting 1500 rupees. If you are inviting second level 5, you are earning 750 rupees. If they are inviting their 5, you will get 5625. This chart will grow. This is just applied 555 formula, not necessary you follow same. You can duplicate 6 also, you can duplicate 10 also, you can duplicate 50 also. It is your choice. But best recommended formula is the 555. You complete your 5, ask that 5 to complete their 5, and ask that 25 to complete their 5. Everybody, if doing this, all will earn huge in next money like this: 37,500, 14 lakh, 82 lakh, 4 crore, 68 lakh, 26 crore, 146 crore, and total earning will go to 178 crore only from referral earning. So this much earning potential is there in next money. So don't just think on 1770, think about this 178 crore, that how much you want to earn from this 178 crore. So let's take one example. If you are doing this 555 formula 100%, you will earn 178 crore. If you able to do it 10% also in 1 year, you will earn 17.8 CR. Even go lower, if you are succeeding only 1% with 99% failure and 1% passing or success ratio, you will earn 1.78 CR in next 1 year. And let's take 99.99% you are failure and 0.01%, 0.1% you are passing or doing it, still you will earn 17 lakh from next money. So very, very easy for all. At least 1% or 10% is very, very easy. It's achievable, but you have to stay in next money for 1 to 2 years for that. You have to duplicate. You have to train your team. You have to put best efforts. This is not a scheme or magical scheme that you will become crorepati from just joining. You have to put effort, best efforts for this earning. Once you'll do good, then you'll get team royalty income. The first team royalty income is the silver royalty, very easy rank. Your level 1 5 people, and level 2 to level 10 1 people. If are green, then you will become silver. You will start earning silver royalty. Extra 15 rupees per ID from 11th level onwards to unlimited level in differential. Till in that leg anybody is silver, and from his 11th rank, 11th level, he will earn, you will not earn, but from other legs you will earn. So first target, achieve silver royalty. After silver royalty, help your direct 5 people to complete their 5. So once their 5 complete, you will get leadership royalty. You will start earning leadership. Yes. So what I am saying you, after you achieve silver royalty, help your 5 to complete their 5. So you'll start getting leadership royalty. Whatever that 5 people are earning, 10% of their joining earning you will get. For example, in your direct 10% are there and you have helped them to complete their 5. So you start 10% of their earning. Suppose they are earning, first person is earning 1,000, second person is earning 5,000, third person is earning 500 rupees. So 10% of that you will earn. So that is the very, very big income. So after silver, target leadership royalty. After leadership royalty, next rank is the gold royalty. For the gold royalty, you have to complete 5 silver in your level 1, your direct. So you will get 2% royalty from 11th level onwards from the gold royalty. After gold royalty, next target is the diamond. Any 5 gold in 5 different leg, any 5 gold in 5 different leg between level 1 to level 10, you will become diamond. You will get 3% diamond royalty in differential, 45 rupees per ID, 11th level onwards in differential format. The next big rank, silver, gold and diamond, is your team royalty. Whereas company royalty is the entire company is joining, you will get 1% crown diamond royalty. Whoever, suppose there are 2 crown diamond, so in that case this 1% will divide in that 2 people. If you are only 1 crown diamond, then this 1%, entire 1% is yours. Entire company joining 1% is the crown diamond royalty. So at present scenario, this crown diamond royalty, if anybody is achieving, he will get 5 lakh rupees per month crown diamond royalty. So in future this will increase also, because next month is growing very, very big. Maybe it will be 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh, 50 lakh per month crown diamond royalty. So target to achieve this 5 diamond in 5 different legs. Between level 1 to 10, you will become company royalty, crown diamond royalty, very big rank. So some offers are going. This Nainital trip have been extended till 10th October. So still more 7 days to go. You can achieve this Nainital trip. For Nainital trip, you can complete your direct 15 from September 1st to 10th October. If you have referred 15 active IDs, you can achieve this 1st September to 10th October. Or if you have referred 3 persons between 1st September to 10th October and they have completed their 5, then you are also eligible for that. If your level 1 any 3 person will achieve this Nainital trip, you are eligible for that trip. And if you are silver in any 3 different legs, any 3 person have qualified for this trip between level 1 to 10, you are qualified for this trip. The other Goa offer, Dubai Bangkok offer, ongoing offers, date of sign up to 30 days, date of application download to 30 days, level 1 5, and that 5 completed their 5 is 25, you are qualified the Goa trip within 30 days. Within 90 days, if level 1 5, that 5 complete their 5 is 25, and that 25 completes their 5 is 125, you are qualified for the Dubai, Bangkok, Malaysia, any one foreign country trip. No time limit. Level 1, you referred 5 people, that 5 people completed their 5, 25, that 25 completed their 5, 125, that 125 completed their 5, 625, 5, 5, 5, 5, level 1, 2, 3, 4, still you are qualified for the foreign trip, no time limit. These all earnings are for the creating the network. And now we are going to talk about the earning, which is the passive income, ongoing income, regular basis income, daily basis income. So whatever team you have created in level 1 to level 10, whatever they are doing from this app and whatever guaranteed cashback they are getting, because with Prime subscription, one benefit you are getting guaranteed cashback of 0.5 to 20% from different services, different brands, different portals. As a customer you will get. So whatever cashback your team is getting, 25% of that cashback will be divided on 10% above to him, above 10 level. For example, any person is there on level 10, he has done some for example insurance, or he has bought something from Amazon, or bought something from online bazaar, or he has done recharge, anything. For example, he has got the cashback of 100 rupees. So 100 rupees, 25% is 25 rupees. That 25 rupees will be divided equally among top 10% of that person. Means on level, his level 1 above, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 10 seniors, 10 upline will get that commission. So this will be the huge income if your team is very big. So start creating big team, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh team in next 1 to 2 years if you want to earn per day 1 lakh rupees, per day 2 lakh rupees from this repurchase income. And yes, this is possible because the repurchase model of Next Money is the natural repurchase model. No need to push anybody to buy these, buy that. Just you need to guide them once that you can recharge like this, you can buy from Big Bazaar like this, you can buy from Titan like this, you can do D2H recharge, you can do insurance from Next Money, you can go to Amazon from Next Money, you can go to online bazaar from Next Money. you can do bus ticket, you can do flight ticket, you can do movie ticket. All things you have to guide 1 to 2 times to them. So once they know or once they trained from Next Money, if they are doing, they will do lifetime because they are getting extra cashback. So first section is the recharge section. There you can consume your 1% reward point or discount point and 2% cashback you are getting if you are doing recharge or Big Bazaar voucher, whatever. So if you are in your city, Big Bazaar is there, buy Big Bazaar coupon from Next Money and buy. Go to Big Bazaar, just show your coupon and take the whatever material you want to take from Big Bazaar. 3% benefit. What percent point adjust? 2% cashback. Titan, Fast Track, many sections are there in recharge. Go to recharge, you will get coupon or discount coupon vouchers are there. Please go to that and buy that and consume that in particular stores. Next shopping, up to 70%, 10% to 70% point you can adjust, 10 to 20% cashback you will get. And most important thing, once you are buying anything from Next Money, 100% MRP worth discount point you are getting. If you are buying 1000 rupees product from Next Shopping, you can use reward point also, you will use cashback also, and most important thing, you will get 1000 discount point also from Next Money, from Next Shopping criteria. Next is booking, bus, flight, amusement park booking, 1 to 5% point use and 2 to 10% cashback. Next shopping, Next Shopping and Next Shopee both are different. Next Shopee is the Next Shopping is the portal like Amazon, Flipkart. We are developing it. Many sellers you will get in future also. Right now also there are many products are there. You just go to categories and you can see many products. But these three products are there. We can use. You can consume your 1550 points on the first day itself. 1550 point fully point you can redeem or you can use it, you can adjust against this product. Remaining balance amount you can pay 70% point adjustment and 30% you need to pay. You will get cashback also, and you will get again MRP worth product point also. Like gas certificate price is 2599, you need to pay only 1050, 1550 point will be adjusted, 100 rupees you will get cashback. And most important thing, after buying, free home delivery and you will get 2599 discount point also. Same usage like reward point again, means you are getting 2599 rupees worth discount point back into your wallet. The most next repurchase option is the offers and tie-ups. You will get up to 10% cashback from offers and tie-up section. Amazon, Flipkart, Netmate, Jabong, movie ticket, insurance, online bazaar, many sections are there. But after buying anything from offers and tie-ups, any brand, any service you are taking, once that product is delivered to you, if you are not returning it, you are taking that product, you are keeping that product. After that, please upload that invoice in offers and tie-up section. So once you will upload, that bill will be processed by Next Money to respective operator like Amazon, like Online Bazaar, like insurance, like Ticket New, like Netmates. After that, Next Money will get cashback. Once Next Money will get cashback, then Next Money will release that cashback to you. So if you are buying anything from offers and tie-up section, please upload your invoice, your delivered invoice, whatever bill you are getting while product delivery, upload that invoice there. Insurance, health insurance, car insurance, bike insurance, vehicle insurance, personal accidental insurance, term insurance, many things are there in insurance section. So this is especially insurance helpline number 733971234. Please save this number as a Next Money insurance helpline number. So you can call them, you can WhatsApp them, and you can get the code from them for health, car, vehicle, whatever you want. Insurance, whatever insurance you want, please get the code from this number by calling or by WhatsApp. The one best tie-up in offers and tie-ups is Online Bazaar. Highest cashback, 8% cashback it is giving to the user. 2% cashback will be divided to the 10% above him. Free home delivery, whatever you are buying, even 100 rupees product. Cash on delivery is also available on Online Bazaar. And 7 days return policy. More than at present 13,000 product. Earlier it was 10,000. Just today only I have seen around 13,000 plus product have been uploaded, have been added on Online Bazaar. Routine usage product at best price, best quality. So let's take one example. After 3-4 years, if your team size is 1 crore, and if these 1 crore people are doing only 2 recharges from Next Money in a month of 100 rupees, total 200 rupees. So that user will get 2% cashback, means 2% is 200, 2% is how much? 4 rupees. 4 rupees cashback that user is getting. So whatever that user is getting, 4 rupees, 1 crore people is getting 4 rupees cashback. Total cashback in your team is 4 crore rupees. So 25% of that 4 crore is 1 crore. That 1 crore will be divided in 10 people. Above to him is 10 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, 10%, 10% will earn. Next is merchant royalty. You can tie up any local shopkeepers, service providers from the Next Money through Next Merchant app. Just ask that shopkeeper to download Next Merchant app, just register himself and put your referral ID. Whatever user ID you have in Next Money, just keep that in that form, so that merchant is tied up with you. So whatever person, either in your team or anybody's team, is going to that shopkeeper or taking that service of that merchant, 1% royalty, merchant royalty you will get. So very easy concept. Like Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, they have tied with the local merchants and they are earning. Here you will earn. Even your team has made the merchant, you will learn. So start promoting it in big way, this merchant also. So minimum criteria to tie up any merchant is the 10% discount to the Next Money app. Then only that merchant or that shopkeeper can be done, then can be tied up with the Next Money. So out of the 10%, 7.5% will be adjusted by the customer in form of point, reward point or discount point. Suppose he is taking the service or buying the product of 1,000 rupees, 75 rupees point will be deducted from his wallet, points. So he will pay only 925 rupees to that shopkeeper. So once he will do that payment, as that customer is giving 10%, that shopkeeper is giving 10% discount. So 10% of 1,000 is 100 rupees. So that shopkeeper will get 900 rupees in his Next Merchant wallet. So remaining 25 rupees, as customer has paid 925, shopkeeper have got 900 rupees, remaining 25 rupees will be distributed in the network. 1% will goes to that person who have done tie-up of that merchant, means 10 rupees will go to that person. 0.5% will be divided on the 10 level above to that merchant owner. Who that person have created the merchant, 0.5% means 5 rupees will be divided among 10% of that, means 5 rupees equally 0.5 rupees, 0.5 rupees, 0.5 rupees will be divided among 10% equally, and 0.5% will be divided on the top of the 10% of that customer, 50 paisa, 50 paisa, 50 paisa, 50 paisa.